In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Todoist with the Outlook app. So, let's get started by making sure you have everything you need on hand. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Once there, type Outlook into the search bar and hit Enter. You're looking for the official Outlook website link, which is typically the first result you'll see. Go ahead and click on that, and if you aren't logged in already, now's the time to do so with your Outlook account credentials. After logging in, your Outlook email dashboard should be open right in front of you. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should notice an icon that looks like a grid or a group of small boxes. That's the Apps icon. Give that a click. This icon is your portal to a variety of integrations and tools that you can add to your Outlook experience, making it even more powerful. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to look for and click on Get Add-ins. This will open up a new pop-up window filled with all sorts of add-ins you can integrate with Outlook. These add-ins can significantly enhance your productivity by integrating tools you use daily directly into your email interface. Next, this is the step where the magic starts to happen. In the search bar of the add-ins window, go ahead and type in Todoist. This will filter through the various options available and lead you straight to the Todoist add-in. When it appears, click on it. At this point, you're just a few clicks away from integrating two powerful productivity tools together. Now, you should see an Add button next to the Todoist option. Click Add to install the Todoist add-in to your Outlook app. This should be a fairly quick process, but the time it takes can vary depending on your internet connection speed. Once installed, you'll need to follow the prompts to set things up. These prompts will guide you step by step to ensure everything is ready for you to start using instantly. This might involve logging into your Todoist account or allowing some permissions. Just take each step one at a time, and before you know it, you'll have completed the integration. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Todoist with your Outlook app. Now, you can seamlessly manage your tasks and emails all from one place, boosting your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your workflow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a wonderful day, and see you in the next video.